Hello everyone, it's been a while since we last met. My last video update was in early March. The 3 months gap is because I've been working on my first AI application, Cafe AI, during this period. It went live on July 1st. I will share the full story of Cafe AI with you in future videos. Today I want to share with you a thought I had while developing my second AI application. Earlier this week, I was preparing to build an app that transforms castle nodes into inspirations. So I started setting up the entire framework. The front-end UI, the back-end database, how to integrate AI, and so on. Then, on Friday morning, I started thinking, why do I need to build the nodes functionality myself? And there are already so many apps that do this perfectly, like Notion, Obsidian, Apple Nodes, Xiaomi Nodes, and others. And this brings up a big question. Do I really need to reinvent the wheel? Users already have a Notion, Obsidian, Apple Voice memos, camera apps, and they really going to change their established recording habits just for my application? And more importantly, can I spend several months developing a recording function that's better than what Apple's has spent years perfecting? The answer is obvious. No. This reminded me of a business principle that's often overlooked. Let professionals handle professional work. In the past, this principle was limited by technical barriers. If you wanted to call professional service, you might need complex integrations, expensive licenses, or maybe their simple and open interface. But now it's different. We live in a technological era, an API economy era. Almost every professional function you can think of has a corresponding API interface you can call. Want AI? There's OpenAI, also pick Cloud, Google Gemini, DeepSeek. Need speech recognition, also speech, Google Speech API, image processing. There's a Cloudinary Image Kit, data storage. There's a Firebase, Supabase, payment functionality. There's a Stripe, Alipay. And more importantly, users' data is already on these platforms. Their knowledge base are in Notion. Their nodes are in Obsidian. Their photos are in iCloud. So why should I force users to re-input their data into my app? Why not directly connect to this data source and focus on what I do best, the AI application part? This made me think of a bigger topic. In the API economy era, what actually constitutes a real moat is not about how many features you can build, but about how deep you can go in a specific niche. Look at those successful indie developer products. They all share one common trait. They excel in their own domain and solve other needs through integrations. That's why we are seeing so many blah blah plus AI products now. The AI capabilities can be obtained through APIs. The real differentiation lies in what data source you choose, how you understand the user's real needs, what unique value you can provide. The technical barrier is lowering, but the barrier for product insight is rising. In this era, what's most scarce isn't technical ability, but insight into users' real needs, and the ability to execute with focus. The API economy lies Earth stand on the shoulders of giants. But once you are up there, where you go next, that's what matters. If you are also developing your own product, or if you have a thoughts on this topic, feel free to share in the comments. See you next time.